I want to emphasize again the importance of understanding the biological characteristics of your desired plant before ordering seeds from any online store. For example, I bought Arabian jasmine seeds or sambac jasmine seeds on the internet. I know that most jasmine species do not reproduce by seeds at all, and it should not be confused with the Philadelphus bushes, which, however, propagates by seeds and is often called jasmine due to the similarity of colors and smell, but these are different and not even related plants. I'm going to read you a little snippet I have here, some information. Jasminum sambac is an evergreen vine or shrub reaching up to 3 meters tall. The species is highly variable, possibly a result of spontaneous mutation, natural hybridization, and autopolyploidy. Cultivated Jasminum sambac generally do not bear seeds, and the plant is reproduced solely by cuttings, layering, marcotting, and other methods of asexual propagation. Knowing this, I was very curious to see what crooks actually slipped me this time instead of jasmine. The seeds look like black seed pods, very reassuring. Memories from my childhood began to come to my mind when we made beads and other products with the same seed boxes. I know for sure that these seeds cannot be jasmine, but I planted them for an experiment. Only 5 to 6 seeds in a small pot with garden soil. Of this number, only 2 sprouted after about 10 days, and I think that the seeds were also of poor quality, over-dried, or infected with some sort of bacteria or fungi. 1 sprout died soon after, leaving me with only 1 for this experiment. After a couple of months, my fake jasmine started to bloom, mainly at night. It was white with a bit of fragrant flowers. I have already identified this plant a long time ago, which has nothing to do with the evergreen vine of real jasmine. This is Mirabilis, or the 4 o'clock seeds, of which you can buy at any garden center for $2 a bag. This is what the fraudsters sell us under the seeds of jasmine, and it's called Mirabilis jalapa, a herb that comes in different colors and shades. In our 4th climate zone, it grows like an annual flowering plant. It grows like a perennial plant in warmer climates. It can be invasive as it easily spreads by its seed pods. It blooms at night from evening to morning as it uses the services of nocturnal insect pollinators. It forms a storage tube similar to carrot, kind of in the shape of a carrot, which also provides the invasive plant with drought resistance and the ability to tolerate significantly low temperatures. I planted the seeds I bought from our garden center and they sprouted in 5 days. So if you want to plant this plant that blooms at night, you can do it fairly easily. If you want to have a blooming jasmine liana at home, then you can simply purchase a fairly common, fragrant, magnificent plant, Madagascar jasmine or stephanotis, in your nearest garden center. They're easy to care for, they propagate by root cuttings, and they bloom throughout the summer. And if when you're buying seeds you see these kinds of offers in your online store, then it's better not to buy any seeds from the seller at all, because they will most likely be something else, some sort of different plant that looks really similar to the original plant, that will emerge quickly and looks attractive, but it is not at all what you paid for.